Hi there, welcome back to the series. In this video we're going to publish our stubs so we can adjust our templates that Artisan is using to create models and controllers and things like that. And we're quickly going to create one model called tags or tag to show how this actually works. So let's dive into it. Alright, so whenever we create a new migration or a new model, we still need to manually add the soft deletes in here, and also in the model itself include this line of code here and add the soft deletes trait to the import. So we can actually adjust the template that Artisan is using by publishing them. So PHP Artisan stub, because stubs are the thing called, stubs are actually those templates that we want to adjust. So stub publish, and this is actually going to create a new folder for us here called stubs in here. So stubs, and in here we have all the templates that Artisan will use. So if we head over to let's see, model, all right, we can actually copy this here and have soft deletes for us at the ready, and also use soft deletes like that. All right, and then in the migration create, we can also have soft deletes, and I think this needs to be a camel case. Let me quickly check that. Yeah, it's camel cased, so with a small s here. Let's save that. All right, so now whenever we create a new model and a new migration, let's actually do that. PHP Artisan make model tag -m for having the migration together with it. That created a new model and a new migration. If we head over to that model tag, we now have soft deletes in here. We have soft deletes imported as well, and in the migration we have tags with soft deletes already pre-filled for us. All right, so that was a very quick one, but it's a very small thing as well. So in the next video we're going to use these tags as a polymorphic relationship, many to many, to add tags to people and businesses. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.